Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I introduce myself. My name is Yulia Nur Azizah, student from Universitas Internasional Batam, with student number 2361013. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my student. How are you today? Okay. Thank you very much for your response, everybody. And alright, maybe before we start the event, I will take your attending first. Okay, do you ready? Okay, it seems that our students are present today. Nice, good job, everyone. Okay, alright. Today I will explain you about fact and opinion before we move to auditory exposition task. Okay, do you know what is fact and opinion? Before that, this will be the learning objective for today. Do you ready? Okay, my student, learning objective for today is first one, accurately identify the difference between fact and opinion in spoken and written language. Number two, classify statement as fact or opinion based on their characteristic. Number three, provide logical reason why a statement is a fact and opinion. Number four, find at least two examples from fact and opinion from the internet or your book. Okay, you ready? Do it? Okay. You have heard about this true sentence, right? The sun rises in the east. Is this correct or not? Yes, this is correct because it's a fact. You can see the sun is rising in the east. Okay. Number two, discuss is the most fun. This is opinion of okay, this is an opinion because it can be someone's thoughts or their feeling. Okay. Number three, Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. This is correct or not? Okay, good job. This is correct. This is a fact, not the opinion. Because you can see in your internet, Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. Good job, everybody. Okay, we move to the identification. Okay, what is fact and opinion? Fact is an event known that to happen or something known to be exist. This is something that can be proven the true or false. For example, the internet connects people around the world. Yes, the internet. The internet it can be Wi-Fi or your card. Okay, your card like Telkomsel, Excel. Okay. Number two, what is opinion? Opinion is something that you can not fully true but might not be. This can be attitude or judgment that cannot be proven true or false. For example, online learning is better than classroom learning. It means offline learning. Okay, this is opinion because not that our student is enjoying in online learning. Maybe they can be the most enjoyable if the classroom in the offline way. Okay, we make today important fact and opinion. The fact statement can be proven, so an opinion may be widely accepted that make it a fact. Okay, opinion. The opinion cannot be proven. They are based on someone's thought, their feelings, and their understanding. Okay, so far, do you have any question, student? Okay, we move to the next slide. Difference of fact and opinion. Fact is something that can be proven. You can see in the history book, statistics, mathematics, and governmental laws. For the opinion, there are several type of opinion, like hypothesis statement, assumptive statement, theory statement, and many. Alright, everyone. Now you already know the difference between fact and opinion. A fact is unrecoverable, and the opinion is a personal idea or trending fact. Okay, for that example, like the first slide I show you. Now let's ask you some question. Okay, when you have an opinion, do you usually stop there, or do you give some advice or suggestion? Exactly. In your life, opinion often lead to advice, suggestion, or recommendation. Let's look for the example. Okay, he is sick. Is that fact or opinion? Is it fact? I think he is too weak to go to school. It is opinion. You should rest at home. It is advice or suggestion. Okay, do you understand? Okay, good. So you can see the flow from fact to opinion to advice. That's why today we will learn how to ask for give advice, suggestion, or recommendation. Are you ready? Okay, if you have problem, you can ask, can you give me some advice, or do you have any suggestion? If you are confused studying English, try asking your friend in English. Like what? Like, maybe you can use this sentence. I'm confused about studying English. Can you give me some advice? You can use some example like this say before. Okay? To give advice, you can say, you sure, if I were you, I would do. I recommend, why don't you? Okay? Now, I want you to give your advice to your friend. Okay? Good. That is your opinion with a solution. So, when someone gives you advice, you can accept it by saying that it's a good idea. Or, I'll try it later. Okay? And you can also disagree politely by saying, I'm not sure about that. Or, I don't think it's a good idea. Now, so after we explained about type of opinion, giving advice, recommendation, or solution, this want to give you some exercise. So this will give you 10 terms, and so you can choose 5 from that 10 terms, and I want you to write sentence of fact, opinion, and advice or recommendation. Like the before Miss give example, he is 6. Okay, he is 6. Can you maybe he is 3. And the advice is he should drink medicine. Okay, like that. Okay, I will give you some parts here, and you can using the example like, oh yeah, I'm really stressed about the math exam tomorrow. I don't know what to do. So what do you say? Do you want some advice? Yes, please, I'll listen. What should I do? We must say, I think you should review some basic formulas first and try some exercise. I think that's a good idea. I will do that tonight. Yulia says, how about studying together after school? I will say, sure, I can do it. Thanks for your advice. So I hope you can understand about this material and or the reflection. What we learned today? We learned about fact, opinion, and giving some advice and or suggestion. Okay. In your life, do you want give your friends some advice or suggestion? Maybe, yeah, maybe. If the friends say, I need some advice, okay. Thank you everyone for today. And I'm really sorry if I have a bad pronouns today. And I hope you can understand what I say to you before. And for the next meeting, we will rewind again about writing opinion so that you can fully understand how to speak it, how to write it. Thank you everyone for today and goodbye.